Hi, this is Mary from Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is Tips and Techniques Tuesday. I want to show you a tip on the Stamparatus to make wreath cards. Now, I had just, this is what you can be making with them. Okay, it goes round in circles. And what I did before was I cut out of window sheets. I cut out, one was 4 by 4 and one was 3 3/4 by 3 3/4, and just laid them down. Well, I got a better tip. Some of the other demos were doing this. So what you're going to need is you're going to need a 7 by 7 piece of window sheet. Plus, then you're going to need, I've got a 4 by 4, a 3 3/4, a 3 1/2, and a 3-inch square. I believe that's a 3-inch, yeah, 3-inch square. And then you're going to need some Sharpies. Some folks say you can do it with our Stampin' blends, but so far you can do it, but you have to wait a long time because it takes a while to dry. So what you're going to do was, in these, I cut them out 4 by 4, and then I did the middle 2 inches, 2 inches, 2 inches in the middle of these. Now what you want to do is you want to find the middle of this. And so this is 7 inches, so 3 1/2 inches. So that's not quite 3. There's 3 1/2. Okay, that's 1, 2, 3 1/2. That's 1, 2, 3 1/2. Okay, that's about 7 inches. So what I am going to do is I'm just going to stick this down with some washi tape, so just to hold it in place so it doesn't move. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to take my large one, the 4 by 4, and I'm going to line up these just like that. Okay. Then I'm going to take, now if you want you can take some washi tape and tape these down too. That's why I put the lines there, so you can line them up really easily. Okay, now you're just going to take one of your Sharpies and you're going to trace around that. And then just like that. And like, yeah, like that. Okay. Now what you're going to do is you're going to move it and just line these suckers up just like that. And you're going to take a bit down. I have to get some more window sheets. It's my last window sheet because I've been using them all for that other one. So we've got the 4-inch done. Okay. Put that aside. Okay. Okay, so we got the 4-inch done. Now we're going to do the same thing with the 3 1/2, but we're going to use a different color. Let's use green maybe. I have to do that one in a different color. I can hardly see that one. Okay, so now how we're going to use this is, okay, just take those off, is you're going to get your Stamparatus. And for red rubber, you're just going to put this down there. There's my plates. And you have to have your, this is the 4-inch one. So what you're going to do is right along this, not in here, but right along that 4-inch mark, you're going to put your, let me find, you want to put it right like that. Okay, now you can put your magnets on there if you want, or you can put washi tape, whatever you want. Remember, you only try to use one. Magnet. So I'm going to put that down there. And where's my black? Just going to use this as an example. I'm using Stamping Spot. I'm going to ink up that flower, put it down, then I'm going to move it, leave everything the same, put it right up in that corner. Oh, and somebody showed me how to do it. I was telling you guys how to put the shimmies and the jimmies and the stuff on there to get it up so you can, somebody showed me something else on that. I'll show you that some other time. Yeah, see, I thought this one was going to be too big, but we are going to go and still do it. Now, I'll be back to show you some more things. Oh, let me get this up so you can see it. Let's bring it down. And there you go. So you can do it for all of those different size cards and make wreath cards. So for Tips and Techniques Tuesday and Merry Stamping Happenings, thanks for visiting. Bye-bye.